Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Elementor website design course video series. In the previous video, I have shown you how you can create a gallery page on the WordPress website using Elementor. Now, in this video, we are going to create the pricing page for the website. So let's go to the dashboard of the WordPress website, go to Pages and click on Add New Page. Let's name it as Pricing. For the template, we are going to keep it on a default template. Click on Publish and click on Publish again. Then click on Edit with Elementor. Alright, so we are on the pricing page. Let's click on the plus sign here. Let's select a single column here. Let's add some padding at the top and at the bottom. Click on the plus sign and search for the widget price. You will see two different elements here, price table and price list. Let me show you how the price list works. Drag it and drop it here. This is going to be a list of prices. If you are running a website for, let's say, a restaurant where you want to show the pricing and the menu, in that case, you can use the price list. This is the default layout of the price list. In the left-hand panel, you will see 3 items are already added. First item on the list, then second item on the list, then third item on the list. If I click on it, you will see the price for this product, the name or the title of the product, and the description of the product. Let's say this is a website for a restaurant and you are going to add the pricing list. Let's add first menu here. Let's say chicken curry. And this is going to be the description. In the description, you can add the description for the dish. And from here, you can change the pricing. Let's say it will be $15. Let's go to the second one. Let's add biryani, then description and the pricing for the biryani. Then let's go to the next one. Next one will be, let's say, vegetable salad, description and the pricing. So one by one, you can add items in the pricing list and you can create a menu on the pricing page. For this, you can also create 2 columns. Let's say I want to add another column. Let's say I want it in 2 columns, so I can search for 2 columns. In the first column, let's put it here, copy it, paste it here. So we have 2 column pricing table. Now let's move on to the next option. Let's delete this one. Create a new section here. Let's add some padding to the top and to the bottom. Click on the plus sign and search for price. Now we are going to use this one, price table. And this is how it will look. At the top, you will enter the title. Then you can enter the description, pricing per month or yearly. And after that, we have the list of items or the features that you are going to provide in that package. After that, we have a button. Click here. It will go to buy now button or your PayPal widget. And this is some text. Now this one looks too big to me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create 3 column sections. So click on the plus sign again. Let's add padding. Let's go to layout and we're going to add container inside this one. So let's change the direction to horizontal. Click on plus sign, add a container here. And let's add new container. Let's add another one. So we have 3 columns here. Let's delete this one. Right in the first column, go to search and search for the price table again. Drag it and drop it here. Go to the second one, search for price table, drag it and drop it here. Let's copy this one and paste it here. All right, so we have got 3 pricing tables. Now let's go to the first one, enter the title for the pricing. Let's say this is going to be bronze package. Whatever name of your package is, you can add the name here. Enter the description, starter package. And this is going to be the HTML tag for this one. And pricing will be, let's say, $39.99. And it is in dollar. You can change the currency from here. And the currency format is there. Then we have sale. This one is, let's say, $59 and we are selling it at $39.99 if you want to show the sale here. The period will be monthly, yearly, or weekly. Whatever period of this package is, you can mention that here. So let's say per year. Right, the text does not look good. We are going to change the font family for this one. Features. Now here you will see list of features that you will be offering in this package. Okay, so I'm going to add some dummy content here. Let's make it one website design, one e-commerce. I'm just adding some dummy content here. Okay, so you can add the content according to your package. Right, so this is the first package. All right, now let's go to the next one, that is footer. This is the button. You can change the text by now. So here you can add the link where you want the customer to redirect after clicking on. Next to that we have ribbon. You will see the ribbon is there and it says popular. So let's say beginner. Let's make it beginner. And below that we have, this is the text element. Under footer you will see this text element. I can delete that. Okay, now let's go to style settings here and we can change the style settings. The background color for the header section shows this one, so I'm going to change it to this one. Then we have color for the title is white, and subtitle I'm going to change the typography for the subtitle. All right, so now it looks good. Change the size also. And for the pricing, let's change the color. Let's change the color for the background also. Here you can add the padding and color, the text color. You will see the color. Then typography for this text, you can change the typography. Size of the $sign. All right, you can change the $sign or the currency symbol. Where do you want? To the right or to the left? Vertical position will be central line. This is the fractional part. You will see the fractional part. This is the one. You will see it here. So you can change the size for that one also. You can make it middle section, to the bottom, or to the top. All right, now this is for the original price here. So I'm going to change the color for the original price. And let's change the typography also. Let's change the size. And vertical position will be to the central line. Period will be this. All right, you will see the changes for this one, but we need to change the typography for this one. All right, now this one looks good. Change the color. All right, so you will see the changes here for this pricing section. Below that we have features. For the features, let's add the padding at the top and at the bottom. 20 and 20. All right, so this one looks good. This is the color. You can change the typography or the font size. And you can also change the background color. For the text, we are going to change the color. Okay, this one looks good. Let's left align it. This is for the divider. You will see the divider here. Now let's go to footer. And for the footer, I'm going to change the background color. And let's change the button color. All right, so this one looks good. Size can be large or extra large. Let's make it medium. All right, so this is for the button. Now at the bottom we have ribbon settings. For the ribbon, I'm going to change the background color. Text color looks good. I can also add box shadow. You will see the shadow here. So this is how the price table will look. Now let's go to the second one. I want to copy the same style settings for this one also. So I'm going to right click on this one, copy it. Now go to the second one, right click and click on paste style. So you will see the same style there. Let's go to the package, and for this one I'm going to change the name to, let's say, golden package. And this is for the advanced level. Let's say pricing will be, say, $59. I'm not going to make any sale for this one. For the features, we are going to use the same features with additional benefits. All right, so you can see the features here. Let's go to the footer section, delete this one, and let's change it to buy now. All right, so this one looks good. I want to change the color for the top section. So let's go to style settings, change the background color for this one. Let's change it so that it will look different than the other one. Let's go to features, and for the features again I'm going to change the background color, and for the footer we are going to use another color. Let's say I want to move the position of this one so that it will stand out. So I'm going to select this column, go to the advanced settings, go to margin, and for the margin let's select -30 pixels. So the position of this column will be slightly above the other two columns. Now let's add some animation on hover for this entire section. Let's select this price table, go to advanced and go to transform. Now I want some animation when I move the cursor on this one. So let's go to hover, and for the hover I'm going to select this option scale, and let's add some scale. So if I move the cursor on it, you will see the changes here. All right, so 1.1 looks good. So it's going to change the size when I move the cursor on it. Select back to default. Let's go to skew and let's change the X and Y. You will see the changes here. So there are different animations on hover that you can use. Let's go to rotate and let's see if we can rotate it. Yes, this one also looks good. Now let's delete this one. We are going to copy the same one from here. Right click, copy it and paste it. Okay, so this is going to be the third one. Let's name it as silver. And go to pricing. Let's change it to $49. I'm going to keep the same features here and buy now button. Let's click on publish and go to view page. So this is how the pricing page will look. If I move the cursor on it, you will see hover effect that we added for this price table. So there are two different types of pricing widgets that you can add. The first one is price list and the second one is price table. In the next video, we are going to add the contact page.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section and press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.